Impact TV Kuki channel Chipinthei Talkshow available si kay MACHEK KIPGEN na bon chamin dem na kahinay kini na hi kuni Talkshow hi jani khabinya na kibol ni tuni zone 2020 SSLC exam apatsan na hinay top 7 na hunjao BOSEM Moses MACHEK SAMPAR ki holin na so adane yo hitin chule ma hi sen Joseph sangai prowa kai hi in ai hoku ki chate la top 7 na hita hunjao ta hi ki pa ki ta hi zin tuni Impact TV Kuki channel team ho ma imuna na ki si ki holin pi thai dinga in ta zin Amazon chungao ki pa tu an ki sen chule viewers so la mi pi ho ma Talkshow ho ki pat masala ga sa non so hila tam zo hi pa hi hum poi ding hi so English so la Manipuri hum ki mang sa ri ti so he sa na ka hi hi tin Haramaktada Inaubu Thagachari. Welcome to the show Kuki Impact TV Kuki channel Chipinthei Talkshow that Queen Laga Yam Chilla Sunangi Matam Haiba Makaido Taram Tam no Opera Queen si Wari Nangi achievement ni Matam the Wari Shan Bagi story habitat ko si Matam Hang say si Yam Harawi and the Kuki channel gi team gi taraf to Sunangi achievement say Queen so Haram my Pondo Aduna Hanbada ngasai ay namingudi panle Moses MACHEK SAMPAR ko adu mayam su khabiram ba ya ko ki channel through lagi nang self introduction habitat ana intro to ko gi lon ko ki lon hai di chan chin thu hai ko self introduction ha to bi ba ya le
effectively ki kaya na ay bu interview no de de makta tawat ko ko adu ka na si ay Moses MACHEK SAMPAR Moses Egini imagine na si MACHEK SAMPAR kawi atuka pagin na Jacob MACHEK SAMPAR
the siblings chin na di kya
chin na ay na hani atuka ay di makada inaw yung mana bless MACHEK SAMPAR
adi koi 2020 SSLC exam gi result hit Hundo pasida nangi results se top 7 da lay high by pocket top da what did you feel now that if how abun mi da record to se ko what nangi expectation looks ya ni ai na khandra or beyond my expectation na nangi wa khandra ka if how ba kai ra kaya
ai na expect to the top 5 expect to and da 7 da la pasida ai tangi mai to pa adu so adu to factor la ko mo de 7 da la ko ji ina dum ya ina dum so tuga edo ko ni mitu dai haraw ko to je na la ko ni adu ka my first da ko baba na baba da ko ni ni amana pa ko ta tuga edo ko ni mitu dai ni ngai ba dum pa
adu the top 10 given the 7 lakh by the 6 not a small achievement there it's a great achievement and we have to be grateful habitat or there are thousands and thousands the competition and so very highly and then what was the reaction of your parents maybe Ima Baba and the family any reaction like that
Ima Baba family members were doing proud we mamaji in one podion and maji podion ba la pa mi ga ida maji offer ga to na to re ko baba jam proud adu ni da alegi moina proud ba alegi ko baba na ino da advice na bi rakhi alegi imana ju ino da phone to raga aduga wari
why is it mayam ye dum manai habitat for top 11 su chak chana hai 22 su hai kai no my parents in ngai ba habitat ya kai no na leiban na ti mo na thabak to kham da sigun ba paw se tar ga thabak ka se thado ba chin chin la ma chan paw na la ko yi wai la tane ko yam na inspiring su hai aduna nangi inside su nang hai nangi achievements in nangi khar ni me hai na di khale hai ko adu percentage gi da la se ba percentage exactly na the can expect to
percentage 96 expect over that 94
after the CBHSLC exams what did you think like did you ever think that you would be getting very high marks or anything like confusion later
confusion di lagi
So now you say it's a very young expectation to up to date but till then you are happy with what you will get now. So young harawa what do you feel now? Kari wakan na po
I pray I feel very blessed now. I think that the zoo, we have the zoo, hin and twin hin but we can
also West Pizarrico. I don't know, class 10 coming later, high school, high 10 coming later, subject young lady, science, social science, English, and I what's your favorite subject? Your favorite subject you carry and why? And other subject you get letter marking with marks to one so
I favorite subjects in maths and high maths. My body part is maths or the jam. Do maths or the she target in what they are, she target in my maths or the maths na 98 maths na 100 and do high maths na 98. I made say na 100 from me expect over 98.
Oh, 198 so Hamburg more because 1%, 2% left. And this is a wahang matahanging. Using Moses Kuki, Kuki habitat, Kuki Habanina, Kuki tribals in habitat, Kuki in tribals in Uncas is whole labor. Quasi I am in this room, Papa said the young Janga, Kui Uncle Gumbas in the Hopa Sida, Yam Soul is a Maram you when you Wakanda. Next side even I feel sometimes irritating go and pause it so see is a very oil very high see the heavy
I see ang away the Messiam Solame and the mates say Ozagina Nutigi Holu and the Gi Hunabakalu and the mates and the Nutigi Holopaneva Aduga mates say mates Nutigi Holaka and the Sum class I put the mates say carrying on the other 19 that mates selling aduna aina haningbadi maths the link na ba koina nutigi photo ma changi aduga honaba ma changi
tribal habitat singing missing as a highway my city next city kind of canvas but it doesn't depend on that so it depends on our hard work habitat after the Nasari achievements say top 7 science in higher it's a big achievement level aduna see achievements credit se kana wala piningra and then why credit piningra simply
ahamba credit se ai takpi tambere iba oza mayam takini adegi ani subana ima baba adegi maru oina ai mama tiloktan mana tuition timbiba kutbiba adegi school ki peka thok tobada mana dum tobibe
school the Ozasing achievements also school the Ozasing na kariba schools sige exam din naman high preparation pangingay na mating pangamra wari
school the Ozasing na ibu encouragement na pibi adegi mo na takwa dusu adum ay na dum kawayang na tayo adegi mo na takwa aibu high expectation na thami adegi mo na aibu advice ang pibi adegi top 5 book lakadamani na mo na aibu advice to be aduga tuition gi ozagi nisu aibu namna high expectation thambaga namna aibu lusin na loina bile
the school da oza sagi or the family habitats when your family with your siblings or the uncle auntie koi ima baba koi the kari karam high support la how did they inspire you to achieve this
ma babagi na di kopeya na bile oina aibu sinabiba adegi dari pa sinabiba adegi sa sakpa sinabi adegi akoi yum da leriba family members na jo aibu si thaksi yo nang matamda yo ko matamda oina mating yan pamde
the credits everyone is involved in your achievement. Aduna achievement habatare we always need something to do in behind secret yang la yeba ko isa gi koi mami man haidu ka aduna husi sai personal the khara lak se ba how many hours do you devote in studying in a day ko no na studying time se devote se kung kya man chang ba
I studied 5 to 6 hours per day. Tuga tuition ke ka chat pagi matang khaidu ka andagi nung mata tuition ke ka chat pagi di tuition ke ka chat ta lebe aduga nung mata ina tuition ke ka chat la di kung ani ding aku pa nga me aduga Sunday gumba Saturday gumba adugumba di matang je mo na pa lagi si
adudi like power say 6 to 7 hours ko adu already apart from that adudagi hena to panangi hobbies in the ko atai tai na leisure or mind fresh na kari kari taw
leisure gumba ki ai se phone da game app sana ba adudagi ai gi leisure se adum me se hola ga adum isai tar adum me so ta je se mai
adu yasa gi time table hai ba mo ba adu se gi ni ta kha adu describe to bi ba ya ga pung ke ada hoga ni kamai taw ya
I say normally 4 a.m. da adagi tuition ke ka saluraga adagi hala kanda ma koi family members mayam adagi halani adagi school da salaga school hala kanda tuition salaga mu tuition hala kanda like parga aduga tara thala
the timetable so person manage so many also behind there is so many things that you are doing so all those lead you to achieve what you are today okay adudi Moses ibani very sana mas ko pwede and so mani hatan pothabo ina break sipan mo ko am pay mo break am maybe also say jogging say 2020 SSLC exam tops 7 na hung Moses sampar to ki hawin mo so some kana kung ay tin break in law din break ki chai se la kung bai ki di ma hin profession su na abang tam ta hin ki tin break na law din Avelin na bonsabil lem na kahin na ikinin na enjoy kahin sa ibangin 2020 SSLC exam top 7 na Moses MACHEK SAMPAR to KIPGEN na so idinay win break masanggang so ini KIPGEN tun break zawin KIPGEN na so si pai kizing awit adu di top mu hawrase ko adu di first sida ai music hanging base did you join any coaching classes mo bayaran ra sigi HSLC exam thadui mo mansi
I didn't join any coaching class, but tuition di subject ko sale. Tuition di subject ko sale. Duga atedi.
So here, what I want to ask to you is it necessary to join a coaching class for exams, or do it really depend on someone's study, or do coaching class or extra class really boost up a student in order to appear the exam? So can you give some comment on this point?
I think it is necessary to go for tuition because we gain extra knowledge from them. School da takriba school da piraiba adu katana yadaba matang su yawe tuition da adugi matang do medem.
Something is always better than nothing having natra. Why yawang am do misu am la adu achievements is mo adu mati wang la pa su lay ko. Adu I sometimes nasay nang high do it's also good, but sometimes it all depends on the person also. Adu ba malay. Adu na nangi doubts mayam layram gani ko nangi doubts nang na khamdaba mayam adu kumadu how did you resolve tawra adu malay kanda.
I ahamda I doubts navigate khalani khanbaba khalani aduga khanba matamda gyan taba yawradi saithana gyan taba yawradi adum pajada hamdabida dum aina dum tawi aduga khanbaba khallaba matungda gyan taba yawradi oja dum
Bazala dum hanga ko yam thai adudi koi se life sida koi stress and pressure se dum lay ko isagi apit su achaw su angam su stress dum lay ba exam among the 10 exam thar to your one say no the stress pressure or personally how did you maintain your stress and pressure and carry that wide into a positive way and see this way to see money the secrets of her
exam me adadi ai stress kumba adugumba di yapaki legite meanwhile adu ai confident oina aduga ai tawunga mani haibagi thonga ama leraga adum togi aduga stress keka laibu matamdani aina visioning keka panic tawidaba aduga kare mata kanjandaba ai ngamgani ai si ma tawunga ngani ai sigi panthungji yodribo ta ai honaba lekiroi mai khanba madar kali
yam chumi ko adudi khoi gi satra yam asina exam ama ko chahi ama natraga yawa ingai se ngai ne le thok ba haibagi khoi routine ama thame ba exam se thama ngai ta ngai di pura ngai do kudak haijin bei ta ngai pa ba sigumba se yam tawe ba ko si da kai comment pining
si se satra yam ba tawi aina pining ba di pekhamaya da hana parudraga pekhamaya da pabaji yam phatte aina haningbadi matam leirigeda honaba yaba honawasi aduga pekhamaya nuaina leinu
I hana have to get ready habita ko hana ready to however pekhamaya the wabi se to relax or the pressure to the pay ko yam everyone have a role model in life, or even I do have, or you will also have. So, who's your role model, and why do you choose him or her?
Role model sa ABT kainon maganda. Kasi kainon ay nalike ko sa non-violence ki adagi mana kaya freedom fighter mani maje adagi maje hindi niya majuno siba ba kainon sa COVID
very most uniqueness very most inspiring quality of him that really inspire you to get through this exam. Exam su result declared abu su kuire ko adana music se mathan di se 11 12 se krai de tamge hain khanra and then admission to be rabra kampai to si matang hara pangni be ya
11 12 se millennium company Millennium Institute of Sciences duka admission kekadi tawbay loi.
Which stream?
Science stream.
And then science law, there is something connection with your aim and dream, I think. So why is your aim in and why do you choose that?
Aigi aim in life sibudi keno IAS oiba. Aduga second option dana Indian Foreign Service IFS.
Why do you have two options? Because people do have only one option in life. So why do you go for two options?
Because if the first option fails, then we have plan B.
Yeah, plan B na. Yang very unique way ko first time na yung tao siya nga. Adudi mathang sina hosi COVID-19 pandemic matam suway ko. This year sidi another TV 10 tamba nga, and then everyone say college or here high school or here anything say pura close or ba. So according to your level 10 gida high school gida 100 class 10 pariba satra sing school kadre. So next year the board exam later or have later than the exam will be still there. So according to you as top 7 amoina, what suggestion you would you want to give to them? Kokari pinin bramon that I'm ready in spite of this pandemic. How should they study? How should they get ready? The tips can be very
pandemic leibasina school keka chatpa adubudi yahandre adubu yumda keka online class kuma tawba adregi school ki site gi moigi school ki site gi keno notes keka pitharapa adu parata adregi karimta khandana school ka de haba adregi tuition keka chatte haba adugi wa kamta khandana sana una jaraga adregi online class depend tawraga adwaina do yani
online class है कोई तमदले का सिंगी facilities लेगा सिंगी impact TV Kuki channel से सीजन आएगा चिंग लेगा कोई की मेरे brothers and sisters में Kuki इमरक लेगा कोई की tribal सिंग बता मोई दी online class इतना वही आ रहा है. So for them difficulty among लेगा को. So for them what do you want to see? मोई देखा भाई in other way how should they get ready?
मोई से मोई लाइक के कापा मोई लाइक पे पावा दिसुले पे पदी आते उनकी लाइक पावा अदुगी चांगना लाइक पावा एक की निंदांगी अदुमाइना लाइक पारगा अदुमाइना तो होगी
amaron the phone si le pai na ko we can search through net the la so every meeting to do really yam khai adudi sai aina haibu haina we achievement se pikpanate we su yam na thadali nathang achievement su chawsawa hanga possible ko aduna receive khoi gi Talkshow se asida vision ba tawase and khoi gi producer ni ko committee ni taraf khoi pinna ka issue reke aduna sigi mananto se मुझे खुद साइड फैमिली को मैंने स्पॉन्सर टाउनी सी कोई इम्पैक्ट टीवी कुकी चैनल टीम एंड प्रोड्यूसर दी माहुसिन आई नो वन सिन देखो ऐसे token of love and appreciation से people are to receive it on behalf of impact TV कुकी चैनल आई नो सिन के
jadi juga impact TV कुकी चैनल वो आई कोई निंदा लगे सुनाया आई इंटरव्यू लोगी बसु Maja Bukuri Aduga, Masigi Channel to be sponsor, Masigi Tuze Konsa and family the Supaina, Talaka Fusen.
Thank you so much. And you really have a type of last quickly reversing have a type of any fans who learn money. But sorry, you're a public figure, but people look at you when you talk about Moses. MACHEK SAMPAR and everyone comes to know, even Google is that already, it comes out your photo it whole lot so reversing in color short sing have a type of have the younger generation one that can pop up in through this channel.
I said in the Garaliba Narozi Laripam Laripam Swayana Papa, and the Honaba Husiki Matamzida Honawaga, Konan Davani Huzik. Kano honaba adudagi nakang chatabida koibalangba tawdabida admaina akoina larik se kana paraga hojik wahoraga hayikona wa hayikona nuaiba adu admaina tawse
yeah, very inspiring way yam ngai and sai haina to be blessed and try to get more achievement in the coming future. One day let us meet again ko platform sing the city ko yum da tawe next time the studio do su tawe matang su ko la ko isin ko ko share su ko yum se apna ko wari se se dunia dingin ki holim men chi channel sai hatina veli hunta la ki len dunia ki holim piu hi Moses MACHEK SAMPAR MOSES exam top 7 na hu hi amazon hi ho Kuki te la chiru ho hi ama hi pacha ta hi Kuki ki tia hi le ho tam ta in bin cha dunia amazon ai ni ta ai munai ki hold the Talkshow ki bo pi hi impact tv Kuki channel na ma chunga ki pa tu sing chule anu pa ho family ho zong ma ho zong hai ta support ai bo ho chunga ki pa tu ki pongin dunia dingin Talkshow hi channel sai ho tin tuni Talkshow ibat na ga ipatsom pin ho impact tv Kuki channel official website Facebook hin YouTube hin dan da zong ingai sa dan ho comment feedback jong hin pi thai hi dunia ding hi chanin khung khana khin nei mun jana hi Chipinthei Talkshow ga josi bon chawi ma pha